Building a high-performance PC can seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. With the right components, you can create a machine that chews through demanding games and editing tasks. This guide will walk you through building a powerful PC featuring the Intel Core i7-12700F processor and the impressive NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. Get ready to experience the next level of computing power. This build is perfect for gamers and content creators alike. The Intel i7-12700F delivers blazing fast processing speeds, while the RTX 4060 handles stunning visuals with ease. Whether you're battling enemies in Cyberpunk 2077 or editing 4K videos, this PC can handle it all. Let's dive into the details and explore the components that make this build so special. We'll start with the core components, the processor and graphics card, and then move on to the other essential parts. By the end of this guide, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to build a high-performance PC that meets your specific needs. So, let's get started. At the heart of our build lies the Intel Core i7-12700F, a powerhouse processor renowned for its exceptional performance. With 12 cores and 20 threads, this CPU can handle even the most demanding tasks, from gaming to video editing and beyond. The F designation means it lacks integrated graphics, which isn't a concern since we're pairing it with a dedicated GPU. The i7-12700F boasts a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz, but it can turbo boost up to an impressive 4.9 GHz when needed. This dynamic clock adjustment ensures optimal performance for both single and multi-threaded applications, making it ideal for gamers and content creators alike. The processor's high core count and clock speed translate to incredibly smooth gameplay, even at high resolutions and frame rates. You can expect butter-smooth performance in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2. Beyond gaming, the i7-2700F excels in content creation tasks. Video editing, 3D rendering, and other demanding workloads become a breeze thanks to its impressive processing power. Whether you're a professional editor or a hobbyist, this processor will significantly speed up your workflow. No gaming or video editing PC is complete without a powerful graphics card, and the MSI NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 fits the bill perfectly. This GPU delivers stunning visuals and smooth frame rates, making it the perfect companion for the i7-12700F. Built on the latest NVIDIA Ampere architecture, the RTX 4060 boasts 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring ample capacity for high-resolution textures and demanding games. Experience the latest games with all the graphical bells and whistles turned on, without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features of the RTX 4060 is its support for real-time ray tracing. This advanced technology simulates the behavior of light, resulting in incredibly realistic reflections, shadows, and lighting effects in games. Immerse yourself in your favorite titles like never before with breathtaking visual fidelity. Beyond gaming, the RTX 4060 is a boon for video editors. Its dedicated video encoding and decoding capabilities accelerate video rendering times, allowing you to export your projects faster and move on to the next masterpiece. Whether you're working with 1080p or 4K footage, the RTX 4060 will streamline your workflow.